Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change country on Amazon account. So first, go to Amazon website and log in to your account. And then select content and devices after logging in. Now select change from the country or region settings by clicking the preferences tab. Next, input information about your new chosen country of residence and click update after adding the new country details. Now, you can view your current country choice under the region settings if your Amazon account's country or region has changed. There will be delivered restrictions, and you may have to pay additional tax if you change your Amazon country from your current region. Before making purchases from another country, check the laws in your area and Amazon's shipping policies. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.